Hello everyone, how are you doing? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your BIOS settings without actually opening up your computer. While you can always remove the CMOS battery, as I'm sure you've seen in other tutorials, if you want to reset the BIOS without opening your computer and just use software that's already installed in your BIOS, I'm going to show you how to do that method as well. First, we need to boot to the boot menu. Depending on your computer manufacturer, the key to access the boot menu may be different. As your computer is booting up, before it gets to the Windows screen, you may have to tap keys such as Escape, SF2, F4, F8, or F12. These are the primary keys I've seen. You can Google the specific key for your computer manufacturer if you have your model number. For example, if you have a specific type of Dell, HP, or Acer, you can type into Google how to boot into BIOS followed by your manufacturer name. It should tell you which key to tap. Just keep tapping that key until you get to the boot menu. Once you're in the boot menu, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate to the Enter Setup option. Highlight it and hit Enter. Now, use the arrow keys again to navigate through the BIOS menu. Look for an option to load setup defaults, which might be labeled as Load Setup Defaults or something similar. This option is often found by scrolling to the right in the BIOS menu. On some systems, you may see a message at the bottom of the screen indicating which key to press to load setup defaults. Often, this is the F9 key. Once you've found this option, tap the F9 key. A prompt will appear asking if you want to load the default configuration. The Yes option should already be selected, so just hit Enter to confirm. Next, you'll need to save these changes and exit the BIOS. Look for the key that allows you to save and exit, which is often F10. Tap F10 and a prompt will appear asking if you want to save the configuration changes and exit. Hit Enter to confirm this. Your computer will now reboot and should launch into Windows. At this point, the BIOS should have been reset to its default settings. Now, let's move on to another method for resetting the BIOS without opening your computer. This method involves using a tool after launching into Windows. One such tool is called BIOS Utility. This tool allows you to reset the BIOS settings directly from the Windows environment. To use the BIOS utility, first, download and install the tool from your computer manufacturer's website or a reliable source. Once installed, launch the BIOS utility. The interface will typically have an option to reset or restore the BIOS to default settings. Click on this option and the tool will automatically reset your BIOS settings. After the process is complete, you may need to reboot your computer for the changes to take effect. It's a straightforward process. You may want to note that resetting the BIOS will revert any changes you have made previously, such as boot order or system settings. If you had customized settings, you will need to reconfigure them after the reset. This method is particularly useful if you're troubleshooting or encountering issues that you suspect are related to BIOS settings. Resetting to default can often resolve such problems. That's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one.